Government of Telangana has issued a order 12th November 2022, and this government order says that public services, that is school education department, filling up of 134 various categories of vacant posts under the control of Director of School Education Telangana, Hyderabad, by way of direct recruitment through Telangana State Public Service Commission orders issued. So as per this GO number 165, the government of Telangana School Education Department is stating that there are some vacancies lying in the Department of Education, and the number of posts and the name of the posts are as follows. Deputy Education Officer, that is Gazetted Headmaster Grade 1, number of posts are 24. Senior Lecturer Diet 23. Lecturers IASC, CTE and SCRT, number of posts are 22. Lecturers Diet 65. Total number of 135 posts to be recruited through direct recruitment through Telangana State Public Service Commission. However, this is just a government order which is issued to the Secretary, Telangana State Public Service Commission, Secretary to Government, School Education. However, a detailed notification would be coming from the Telangana State Public Service Commission stating the local cadre-wise distribution, roster points, qualification, etc. The process may take some time. However, the candidates who have done their B.Ed, M.Ed, PhD in education, this is a very golden opportunity, we can say, as the recruitment is huge. 134 posts is not a small number. So all the aspirants who would like to be placed as education officers in the education department, please make your necessary preparations to crack down the examinations, and I will also be doing specific videos for assisting you all to get a better post. So please join, subscribe and comment what type of content would you like to hear from me, and wishing you all the best to the aspirants. Thank you.